If you want the door to auto close, you have to have a set of safety beams. I'll take you through the process. Press and hold the set button. You're first going to enable the safety beams, which is little b. You see it's currently to 0, you'll change it to 1. Set to confirm. Now you're going to go to capital A for auto close. You're going to go set. Currently set to 0. If you go up to 1, that's 10 seconds. 2 is 20 seconds. 3, 30 seconds. So we'll set ours to 10 seconds, which is 1. Set to confirm. So now after you've exited the garage and you've passed the safety beams, after 10 seconds, the garage door will auto close. There's one more function that I'm going to take you through, and that is to holiday lock the motor in case you go away for the weekend or on a holiday. For that, you'll have to have a light button, meaning if you press the button, the courtesy light turns on. Before we go through the process, I will tell you what's going to happen. You're going to press and hold the light function button. The control card is going to give a long beep, and once it gives a long beep, you're going to have to press the button trigger or full open button. It will display a H and then indicate that it's being holiday locked. So let's go through that process quickly. So now any remote that is programmed won't open the door because the door is in holiday lock. If you are on the inside of the door and you press on your remote and you see this capital H with a flashing light, you'll have to take the door out of holiday lock. Same procedure. Press and hold your light function button, and then the control card will give you a long beep. When the control card gives a beep, you have to press the button trigger button, and then the door will open and go out of holiday lock. Let's go through that process. And the door will open. Now the door is back to normal functioning.